In this tutorial, we shall discuss percentage increase and decrease. Welcome. Examples. Our first example, Josephine sold a TV at 48,000 shillings, making a profit of 20%. Calculate the buying price of the TV. Solution. 48,000 shillings corresponds to 120% since she made a profit of 20, so we take 100 plus 20%, which gives us 120. We are required to calculate the buying price of the TV, which is 100%. So our question is, if 48,000 shillings corresponds to 120%, what about 100%? Let's assume that this corresponds to x. By cross multiplication, x equals to 48,000 times 100 divided by 120. This equals to 40,000 shillings. This is the price that Josephine paid for the TV. Example 2. A house is sold at 360 euros, making a profit of 25%. Find the original price that the owner paid for the house. Solution. 360,000 euros correspond to 125%. Since the original price should be 100%, then we ask ourselves 100% corresponds to what? Let this be x. Then by cross multiplication, x equals to 360,000 times 100 divided by 125. This gives us 288,000 euros. That is the original price that the owner paid for the house. Example 3. Mr. Albert planted a valuable tree. It grew up to 4.8 meters, which is 60% of its maximum height. Calculate its maximum height. Solution. 4.8 meters corresponds to 60%. The maximum height should be 100. So what about 100%? Let this correspond to x. Then cross multiplying this gives us x equals to 4.8 meters times 100 all over 60, which equals to 8 meters. So 8 meters is the maximum height of that valuable tree. Example 4. The price of a car was reduced by 10% to 45,000 pounds. What was the price of the car before this reduction? Solution. 45,000 pounds correspond to 90% since there was a loss of 10%. What about 100%? So if we cross multiply, this is going to be equal to 45,000 pounds times 100 all over 90, which is going to be equal to 50,000 pounds. So the price of the car before this reduction was 50,000 pounds. It's now your turn to try out some questions. First question. A mobile phone is valued at 22,000 shillings after a 22.5% decrease in its value. What was its value before the decrease? Question 2. The cost of a shirt is 18 euros. If the seller intends to sell it at 24 euros, how much percentage profit will he have made if he sells at this price? See you in the next lesson. Thank you and goodbye.